Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. Studying for a better life. In a quiet library, two teenagers are studying together for their future. They sit at a large wooden table with many books, notebooks, and a laptop. The library is calm and peaceful, which helps them focus on their work. The boy is writing important notes in his notebook. He knows that education can help him achieve his dreams. The girl is reading a book carefully and learning new ideas. Both students understand that studying today can create better opportunities tomorrow. Around them, there are books about growth, discipline, focus, and success. These books inspire them to continue learning. The warm sunlight coming through the windows creates a comfortable and positive atmosphere. The students feel motivated and confident. They know that success does not happen in one day. It takes patience, effort, and dedication. Every page they read and every note they write brings them closer to their goals. The library is more than a place for studying. It is a place where dreams begin. These teenagers are preparing for life by gaining knowledge and developing good habits. Their hard work today will help them build a brighter future. They believe in themselves and continue moving forward with hope, determination, and a strong desire to succeed. Vocabulary. Library. Teenagers. Future. Study. Knowledge. Focus. Discipline. Success. Dreams. Opportunity. Effort. Dedication. Goal. Habit. Hope. Intermediate English. Learning today, leading tomorrow. Inside a welcoming library filled with books and natural light, two teenagers dedicate their time to learning and personal growth. They understand that education is one of the most powerful tools for building a successful future. The young man carefully takes notes while reviewing important concepts. Beside him, the young woman studies a challenging book and reflects on the information she is reading. Their commitment to learning demonstrates maturity and responsibility. The library offers an ideal environment for concentration and productivity. Surrounded by books that encourage discipline, perseverance, and self-improvement, the students feel inspired to continue working toward their objectives. They recognize that every study session strengthens their skills and increases their confidence.
Although academic success requires consistent effort, they know that the rewards are worth the sacrifice. They are willing to invest their time and energy because they believe in their potential. Each chapter they complete and every new concept they understand represents another step toward their dreams. More importantly, these teenagers are not only studying for exams, they are preparing for life. They are developing critical thinking, problem-solving abilities, and a strong work ethic. These qualities will help them face future challenges with confidence. Vocabulary. Dedicate. Personal growth. Commitment. Responsibility. Concentration. Productivity. Perseverance. Self-improvement. Objectives. Potential. Critical thinking. Problem solving. Work ethic. Determination. Foundation. Advanced English. The transformative power of education and purpose. In a tranquil library, two adolescents pursue academic achievement while investing in their intellectual development and future aspirations. They understand that education is a transformative force that creates opportunity and supports lifelong learning. Through resilience, determination, and sustained effort, they continue to persevere despite challenges. As they study, they develop valuable competencies such as analytical reasoning, adaptability, and strategic thinking. These skills strengthen their ability to succeed in a changing world and prepare them for future leadership roles. Vocabulary: pursuit, academic achievement, intellectual development, aspirations, transformative, lifelong learning, resilience, persevere, sustained effort, strategic thinking, competencies, analytical reasoning, adaptability, innovation, leadership, foundation, determination, opportunity, success.
Great job today. Glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.